Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. I'm so excited to share another video with you guys. So if you guys remember, I am a ambassador for Todo Papel, and Dolores sent me some happy mail for this month and I'm so excited and I want to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. There's also going to be a giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned and watch all of it. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. So first, she always likes to send me a sweet little card, and this is the one she sent me, and on the back it says, "Ellie girl, enjoy your goodies. Love, Dolores, XOXO." So super pretty. Dolores is so sweet. If you guys like all things girly and pink, she is your girl. Go check them out. She has the most amazing paper clips. She is truly talented. She has doilies, little gift sets, and she has these little dashboards, or I forgot what she calls them. They're like little inserts. And she sells different collections, but yes. So here is the card that she sent me, and I always keep the cards because I can always use them. This is an Easter theme, so you have the girl with the little bunny that has the bow tie and the bunny balloon. It's so pretty. So then the next thing she sent me, I was so excited about these. You guys know I love doilies. I'm obsessed with doilies, and she sent me a whole little pack. And she sent me this beautiful handmade paper clip in blue, which is my favorite color. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up. I forgot to get the prices for these, but I'll leave them linked down below for you guys so that you guys can check them out. I do have a discount code. It's Ellie's code 15. I'll leave it right here for you guys, as well as in my description box, but definitely go check her out. So she sent me a few of the pastel yellows. Look at how cute that is. And they feel really nice. They don't feel like they'll break that easily. And then she sent me the pastel pink. And she also sent me the pastel blue, which is beautiful. And then she sent me the pastel like lavender, oh my gosh, or lilac. It's beautiful. I love these. So if you guys like doilies, go check her out. I think you'll really like those. She also sent me the cutest little, I forgot what you call these. These are felts, but they have a name. They're kind of like patches, because patches don't have like a sticker on the back, or they don't have adhesive, so it's just the little patch by itself. But these are Peeps. Oh, I love Peeps, you guys. I love Peeps. They're my favorite. And look at how cute these are. So she sent these, and you can turn them into paper clips if you want. You can put them on a little washi card. Oh, washi card. They would look so cute on an Easter themed washi card. So as you can see, they don't have adhesive, they don't have sticker, they don't have Velcro, anything like that. It's just a little felty by itself. And this one's in pink. So cute. And then this is the green one. And then these two have the little bow, but it's just the head. Look at the rosy cheeks. I tell you guys, she is so talented. And then the blue, which is my favorite. So if you get this little pack, you can always turn like maybe 2 into paper clips and then use the other 2 for decor. Maybe you can add, like, say you have a little card and then you want to add a doily, you can put a little cardstock circle in the middle for more decor. Put this right here, add some little words. It'll be so, so cute. So I love these. And I'll leave them linked down below for you guys. Alright, so she also sent me some paper clips. I'm so excited. These are so pretty. So here are the paper clips. Look at how gorgeous these are. Oh my gosh. So here we have the little pink bunny with the pom-pom tail. Oh, I love that. You guys know I love pom-poms. Here is the blue one. So as you can see, she used the blue one for a paper clip, and this one's actually a little smaller, but that's how you can use it. So cute. And then this one's gorgeous. It says springtime, and it's like a pleather. It has these beautiful floral stitching, and then the springtime on gold paper clips. And then here we have the little bumblebee. Oh my goodness, she is so cute. And then she has her little blue paws, I think. And then here she has her little pink bow. She is so cute. Here we have our little white bunny head with her bows. So cute. I love these. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. And then she also sent me the Bunny Girls postcard pack. Here we go. Look at how cute this is. So you can use these on, I don't know, flip books. You can use them in your planner. So say I had just filmed this video. Say if I want to decorate, I can put this maybe like right here with some washi tape, and then maybe add like a little bunny. You know, you can use it anywhere. So that's the beauty about these cards. You can use them as dashboards, inserts. You can punch holes in them, put them in your planner, add a little pocket to the back. That would be so cute. There's so many ways you can use these. So here we go. I'm going to try to do a video on how you can use these. And then there's this one right here. This one is so adorable. Look at his bow tie. And he's just like, oh. He's like, oh, I'm lazy. And then there's this one. And then the one with the 3 girlfriends and their bunnies. Isn't that cute? And this one is called Bunny Girls Postcards. That's so pretty. I love it. So she did send me 2 of these. I think it goes in this one. Let me make sure. There we go. And she did send me a second pack, and I'm actually going to be giving both of these away to one of you guys. I already have some. I'm pretty sure I have some in my stash, but I want to share these with you guys. If not, I have some other ones that she sent me. I can do a video on how to use these, but I want to give these 2 away to you guys. And basically all you have to do is comment down below what is your favorite Easter tradition, and then just make sure you are following at todopapel.com on Instagram. I'll leave it down below, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. And that's pretty much it. So again, comment down below your favorite Easter tradition. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you must be following at Todo Papel on Instagram, and I'll leave it right here or down below. And I will have 2 winners, 1 for each winner, and then I will close this on Sunday, and I will announce the winner on Monday. So good luck to you guys. And again, Todo Papel, Dolores, thank you so much for sending me these amazing goodies and for allowing my subscribers to win one of your special postcard packs. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to check out Dolores on Instagram, Facebook, and I think she has a YouTube channel. Everything will be linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.